Then you do challenge the traversal maximum amount of money a robot can earn. So we're given a matrix here and multiplied by n, and on each cell the amount of coins the robot can gain, or the robot which steals the coins, it's actually a robber. So and we can neutralize two robbers. So basically this is the solution, and the solution is use of dynamic programming with this state ijk, where k is number of robots neutralized. So let's start our implementation. As usual, n, as we do it as is coins 0 and length of coins, which is basically amount of rows here. So let's initialize our array. So we are gonna use minus float of infinite and multiply it 3 times in a range of n. So let's start our for in the range of 3 if coins amount. So basically we're initializing our matrix here is amount of coins greater than 0. This means our initial state of 0k is equal to coins 0, 0. In other cases, if k is still greater than 0, we assign 0k to 0. In other case, assigning it to coins 0, 0. So let's copy this string here. And as a first step, we should fill our first row until in for in the range of 3 if amount of coins 0j on a first row is greater than 0, we assign jk plus amount of coins of 0j here. If we neutralize, if we don't neutralize, we assign it to j minus 1k plus amount of coins 0. If we're not neutralizing, if the k is greater than 0, we can neutralize, taking the maximum of current value calculated j minus 1k minus 1. Assigning our new state jk is equal to, we iterated over first row, let's iterate over the rest of the rows until m. So we're taking new1, incrementing over all elements in the row until n. So for k in range 3, and best previous is initially, and we're validating if j is greater than 0, calculating new best previous, which is current best previous, or new one, j minus 1, k initial. In the case if best previous is still equal to minus float integers, we just skipping. And here our checks if the amount of coins on the cell ij is greater than 0, means we have something to add, so we just adding this add as is. So jk best previous plus coins of ij. If we don't have, this means we have robber here. We try to approach is neutralized or not neutralized. So not neutralized is best previous plus coins ij, which is the current cell. And if we neutralize k is greater than 0, so we assign to new one. So assigning to new one and assign our new DPI jk to our value. Everything incremented, iterated, so we assign our dp to new dp array. So, and we need to generate the result, which is basically the maximum of n minus 1. Let's try submitting our solution to see if it actually works. Executed, so we got some issues, coins, a bit small typo here, fixing it and resubmitting. And hope this time it should be everything should be okay. So thank you guys for watching. See you next